I have to perform that when we click on that name, whatever the name is there, Gaurav Bide. I just when click on that Gaurav, then I have to give it's a detailed record of that employee. Okay, I have to show the detailed record of that employee. So for that, we can use a routing. And when I click on that Gaurav, it will be a route to the detailed record and display your of that particular record, detailed record. So first we have to create a detail component. So we can create here ng gc detail. Okay. Again, the detail component I have to add in our routing setting. So we can add that routing file. I'm just create a configuration setting for the detail as well. In that we just mention the path. In that part we just mention the detail as a we can mention details as well. And then I'll just render the component as a detail component. Okay. Again, I have to add the detail component to can activate, because once user is login, then and then I want to display or I have to access that detail component. So also you can apply that can activate for this detail component as well. Okay. So directly other cannot be accessed that detail component. So you can use that can activate method service first. No. In the home component, in the name, we can use an anchor tag. Okay. In that anchor tag, instead of the href, use a router link. Okay. In the router link, I can just mention that path details, and just you can mention that your okay item.name, whatever the data is there. Okay. When we click, it will be give the detail components. Okay, my backend server is stopped. I think I just started that. Okay, just refresh that. See here, when we click on name, it will route and it display the details. Okay, slash details, it will display the detail components here.